my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I received the package from my friend Rachel. She also has a YouTube channel. Her name is Just Rach. I will have her YouTube channel linked in the description box, so make sure to go check her out. But anyway, she sent me a package and I'm super excited because she said that she was going to send me a late birthday present, so I'm super excited. And I'm not sure if it got here earlier because I didn't check the mail for like 3 days. So anyways, let me open the package. Whoa. So, ta-da! Let's see, what did she send me? So, she sent me a cute little card with stickers. I love stickers. So, thank you, Rach. So, here is the card that she sent me. And it has a bunch of cute little stickers here, like an owl and of course pizza because I love pizza and dogs. So thank you so much, Rach. I really like this. It's super cute. And on the back it also has more stickers. It has french fries and burgers because I love fast food. And all these cute little stickers. Here, let me open it up. I'm trying not to rip off the stickers. Oh, that's a super cute card. Look at that. You're just making me crave donuts. Look at this super cute card, you guys. She decorated the inside of the card with pizza stickers and watermelon and SpongeBob. I love SpongeBob. Super cute. So thank you, Rach. I really like it. Super cute. And she wrote, I hope you enjoy. So thank you. I really like this. And here is everything that she sent me. Okay, so the first thing that she sent me is this, I believe it's a lipstick, and it's called Creamy Matte Lipstick by Foley Fire. This is what the box looks like. And this is in the shade Here to Slay. So it looks like it's going to be a very pretty red lipstick. So let's check it out. I've never heard of this brand before. And the packaging is super cute. Look at that, you guys. Very pretty. And oh, this is very pretty. Look at this beautiful red lipstick. So I'm going to be swatching it. Oh, that's really pretty. It kind of looks pink from an angle, but it's red, but it looks really pretty. As you can see, it's super cute. So I'm super excited to try this. Sorry, the trash can guy is passing by. Okay, anyways, I'm super excited to try out this lipstick because it's very pretty and I just love red lipstick. So thank you so much, Rach. I really appreciate it. Okay, the next thing that she sent me, it is a blush and it is from Bank Beauty. This is what the box looks like. Super cute. I think I've only tried out like 2 or 3 things from Bank Beauty and I really like it. And this is what the packaging looks like. It looks super cute. This is a very pretty pink. It looks like a pinky peach blush. It looks very cute. So thank you so much, Rach. I really like it. Ooh, look at that. It's a pretty peachy blush and it's shimmery. It's this one up here. Ignore this. It's from another video I did earlier and I couldn't remove it. But anyways, I really like that this blush is shimmery because I love shimmery blushes. So yeah, thank you so much, Rach. Okay, so if the angle is different, it's because my memory got full and I couldn't record anymore. So I don't know where it stopped because I wasn't looking at the viewfinder. So anyways, I was saying that she also sent me some lip liners, the Ace Beauté lip liners from her BoxyCharm, but I had already received some lip liners in my BoxyCharm. So hopefully these lip liners that she sent me aren't the same colors that I got, but we will see. This is what they look like. And I think they are the same color. I'm sure the brown one is. Yeah, so they are the same color. So that sucks. Okay, so since they are the same, I'm not going to be opening them or swatching them or anything like that. So if it's okay with Rachel, I will pass it on to a family member or something. But either way, thank you so much, Rachel, for sending me these. Okay, so the next thing that she sent me, it is a eyeshadow palette, and this one is the Revolution Reloaded Red Alert eyeshadow palette, and it's this one right here. It looks super pretty and I'm super excited about this because I really like the Revolution eyeshadow palette. So thank you, Rach. I'm super excited about my new eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so this is what they look like. They look super pretty, so I'm super excited about this. This one looks like a fall palette to me, so I will be using this pretty soon. So thank you so much, Rach. And then she also sent me another eyeshadow palette, and this one is the Revolution Reloaded Division palette, and this is what it looks like. It's also a fall looking palette. It's very pretty. I love the greens and the oranges. Here it is. Look at these beautiful colors. I'm super excited to play with this eyeshadow palette as well because the shadows are just super pretty. So yeah, so I'm super excited to play with these very soon. So anyways, thank you so much, Rachel. I really appreciate everything that you sent me. I'm super happy and excited to play with all of this, and you're very sweet, so thank you so much. So if you guys haven't checked her out, make sure to go check her out. Her YouTube channel will be linked in the description box. So yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.